the same financial freedom like normal states.
Pondicherry doesn't have a financial freedom.
Freedom.
I think it's
It's like,
not freedom, it's got support. He's got strength. You've got the government of India behind you. And it's got the freedom for the administrator to decide. I had, as Lieutenant Governor's office, we had the support of the government of India, and together with the political administration, the elected representative, budget was planned. We had the freedom. If supposing we had about 1,200 crores or 2,000 crores, we got the 2,000 crores according to what we could generate, what the state or union territory could generate, and then they came in what programs government of India wanted. Budget was planned, and budget was planned totally by the elected government, along with the government secretaries, and approved by the Lieutenant Governor, and then sent to the President of India to be. We had total support. We had freedom to decide what we want, how much we want in education, how much we want in health. We had the freedom. So who says we didn't have the freedom? We had the money and we had the freedom, right? Once we had the freedom, we could do the allocations. And the budget was cleared by the assembly. And thereafter, it went for approval to the President of India. We had the freedom. I think we need to know that once the Pondicherry gets the budget, it has total freedom to be honest or not honest. That's a freedom. We have the freedom to be honest 100%. To be dishonest, we don't have. Then we get caught somewhere. The government of India will step in and look at it. So the Pondicherry budget has total freedom to be honest. And it has the freedom to ask for more. And not that we were not asking for more. We were asking for more and we were getting it. Because we could convince, or the government of India and the political administration could convince, the bureaucrats could convince. So the government of India, I find, is exceedingly supportive and strengthens Puducherry as a union territory all the time.